So I'm trying to catch the lightning bugs. There's one in oh. To find back out here. They're all in the trees. Pretty cool. Oh, let's see. I zoom in here. Hold on, let's go over here by the pond. Oh, you can see some here. Oh, goodness. It's really cool. Like, the phone doesn't. Well, there's one right there. Look. It's a lightning bug. Isn't that cool? They're like all over the place tonight. Like every summer. Like you'll see them. See if I zoom in here. Hold on. Oh, there's a good place. There we go. See him? That's so cool. I live in a very like rural area, so it's really dark out here, other than like our little LED lights and stuff. And you're probably wondering what that noise is. It's my frogs in the pond. They do this all night long, especially if it rains. They are making weird noises. Let's see. They're like really in this tree right here. See if I zoom in. That's Daisy's light right there. Let's see. They're really by the pond over here. I'm trying to, but the pond light's kind of like, oh gosh, Daphne's toys are everywhere. Let's see if I can get them. Oh my gosh, these frogs are so funny, dude. Come on. So in about another week, there'll be like so many more. Here, there's one. There you go. There you are. Yeah, they're all in these bushes over here. I don't know what's better if I zoom in or zoom out here. Just go slowly right here. My neighbor back there has like this big, oh, there's one. Big torch light. See the little guy right there flickering? That's a little lightning bug. But it's so cool because like with the naked eye, like if you're just looking instead of on the phone, it's just like little lights flickering all over the place. It's so cool. See them all. Isn't that cool? So the frogs you're hearing are American bullfrogs, peepers. There's gray and green tree frogs. Yeah, this is just really pretty. I wish I could pick this up better on my phone. It's just beautiful. It's like little sparkles of light everywhere. Gosh, they're really like going crazy right through this area. It's hard to pick them up on the phone. I'm zooming in the best I can. I got like 2 acres, so I'm like literally zooming into the back of the acre backyard. They're in that area right there, like a lot. Oh, there's some of them are lighter than the others. Let's see if I walk over here and get a better view of them. I don't want to trip on my deck here. Let me make sure I don't. There we go. There we go. See, now I'm at the edge of my deck. Come on, I thought it would be better to walk over here. phone is trying to like highlight the... Oh, there's one right there. There's a close one. Do you see it? Look at that. Hey, buddy. Oh, he just went right by me. There he goes. I thought that would be pretty cool to show you. But yeah, look how dark it is here. We don't have street lights or anything. These are my little LED lights that go on my deck. And then I have the lights on the pond right now, pink. And I'll probably change the colors this week to light blue. Sometimes I can keep it on rotation where they... Oh, that's cool. Or they can change colors all night. There's some right there. Alright. Dang, there's so many of them out tonight. It's so cool. Alright guys, well I hope you can see this. I just thought it was really cool. I wanted to share it with you. It's so much better in the naked eye. But, hopefully you guys can see this. You guys have a good night. I love summertime. It's cool. Thanks for watching.